What up, though? It's your girl, FLY444. I'm back with another track. Everybody talking about manifestation. The Bible says, faith without work is dead. You can't pray for the harvest and never plant the seed. You can't ask God for the vision and refuse to move your feet. This one for the dreamers, the builders, the believers, the high achievers. Faith with work is alive, manifesting. God opened doors, I was positioned and prayed for the blessing. Then got up and went, manifesting, manifesting. I wasn't wishing on stars, I was building within. Trusting this time and not chasing the trends. Faith with work is alive, manifesting, 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 manifesting. God did that. Keep going, yeah. Everybody talking about the universe listening. But what happens when the vision needs discipline? What happens when the dream needs sacrifice? Late nights, early mornings, paying the price. I was planting seeds when nobody clapped, writing my future while they laughed at that. Now the harvest showing up right on cue. God said move, so I moved, that's what faith do. I kept showing up when nobody could see, trusting what God already placed in me. Every setback taught a lesson I could use. Every closed door redirected my moves. Now I'm standing in the fruit of the work I began. Faith in my heart and the plan in my hand. I didn't wait for the stars to align. I trust God's timing over mine. Faith with work is alive, manifesting. God opened doors, I was positioned. Prayed for the blessing and got up and went, manifesting, manifesting. I wasn't wishing on stars, I was building within. Trusting this time and not chasing the trends. Faith with work is alive, manifesting. Yeah, they thought I got lucky, they ain't see the preparation. Every setback became part of the foundation. I was learning in the dark when the lights got dim. God was strengthening my spirit from the inside in. I didn't cry real tears, had to heal real scars. Still believed in the promise when it felt too far. Now I'm walking proof that the pressure ain't defeat. Sometimes the blessing look like endurance on your feet. I stopped chasing validation, started chasing purpose. Found out every closed door was really working for me. Now I move with intention, every step got meaning. Manifesting ain't magic, it's believing and achieving. When God gave the vision, I got busy with the plan. Faith in my heart, determination in my hands. And the more that I trust, the clearer I can see what He already placed inside of me. Everybody want the harvest, few people want the season of planting. Everybody want the testimony, few people want the process. I stopped asking God to make it easy, I asked Him to make me ready. Faith with work is alive, manifesting. God opened doors, I was positioning, prayed for the blessing. Then got up and went, manifesting, manifesting, manifesting. I wasn't wishing on stars, I was building within. Trusting this time and not chasing the trends. Faith with work is alive, manifesting, manifesting. Watch me rise, that's favor, keep climbing. God got me, manifesting, manifesting, manifesting. Manifestation without movement is just imagination. Faith without works is dead. I don't just speak it, I prepare for it. I don't just dream it, I build it. I don't chase blessings, I become ready to receive them. This is faith, faith. This is work, 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 this is work. This is manifestation. FLY444. Listen, these aren't just lyrics, they're a whole life philosophy. This song reflects my journey, from USPS to my music, to rebuild and begin within, to trademarking. FLY444. I'm not waiting on life to happen, I'm not sitting around wishing on stars. I'm giving my best, doing the work, trusting God and preparing for what's next. Faith without work is dead. Manifestation isn't magic. It's believing, preparing, positioning, and moving when God says move. Every setback taught me something. Every closed door redirected me. Every challenge strengthened me. I'm living proof that faith and action work together. This is faith, this is work, this is manifestation. This is